Hello friends, now we are going to solve numerical 2 based on per unit method. Here is the given question. Selecting the generator rating as base quantities, draw per unit diagram. So this is the single line diagram and we have to draw the per unit diagram. Selecting the generator rating as base quantities. So first we will write the base values of power as well as base value of voltage. So in the question it has been given the generator rating as base quantities. It means MVAB new for the entire circuit will be 100 and KVB new will be equal to 33 kV for the entire circuit. Voltage value will change according to transformation ratio, but the power value will be same. So the 100 MVA will be same for the entire circuit base MVA, and it is gonna be changed. So the first transformer here have the ratio of 32 by 110 kV, means the 8% value has been given on base power of 110 MVA and 32 kV. So when we write the new value of base voltage, we should always remember that the base value will be same until or unless the transformer comes and the value will change on other side of transformer, means for the transmission line it will not change for this present transformer. So 33 kV will be for the first transformer and it will change for the transmission line, and it will not be 110 kV this time it will be 33 into, it will change according to the transformation ratio. So 110 upon 32, which when we will calculate then it will come 113.437 kV, and this will be same for this second transformer 113.437 kV. And for this all these motors it will be same 113.437 into 32 upon 110. When you will calculate, this will comes out to be 33 kV. So these are the base voltages, new base voltages basically, and new base power. Now we are going to calculate. So for the generator number 1 we do not need to calculate differently because we have to select the generator rating of this first generator for the same entire circuit. So ZPU of generator number 1 will be equal to 15%, it is given. So 0.15 pu. And second, for transformer number 1 ZPU new will be equal to, formula we know that ZPU old into MVAB new upon MVAB old into KVB old square upon KVB new square. So we are going to put the values 0.08 into MVAB new is 100 upon MVAB old is 110. So 110 into KVB old. Always remember this 8% was on the base voltage of 32 kV and 110. Now the base voltage has been changes like 33 kV and base power is also changes 110 kV. So always remember 0.08 in MVAB new, that is 100, and MVAB old is 110 into KVB old means 32 upon KVB new is 33. So this will be the per unit value of the transformer. So this will be equal to 0.068 per unit. The third one is for transmission line. ZPU will be equal to Z actual if 0.5 ohm per kilometer. So for 100 kilometer it will be equal to 50 ohm. So 50 into MVAB new 100 upon KVB we have to take 113.437 square, and that is equal to 0.38855 per unit. Now again, if you will look the second transformer, both the transformer are same, and the second transformer has been applied in step down transformer, and first transformer is in step up. So the value will be same. So ZPU of transformer number 2 will be equal to same, that is 0.068 per unit. Now we are going to find out the per unit value of all the three motors. For motor number 1, ZPU new will be equal to ZPU old 20% means 0.2 into MVAB new is 100, MVAB old 20 MVA for motor 1 has been given. So this will be 20 into KVB old upon KVB new. Always remember the KVB old is 30 kV here. So 30 upon new value is 33, so 33 square. So this is equal to 0.826 per unit. This is for motor number 1. For motor number 2, the ZPU will be equal to 0.2 into 100 upon 30 into 30 upon 33 ka square, and this is coming out to be 0.5509 per unit. And for motor number 3, ZPU will be equal to 0.2 into 100 upon 50 into 30 upon 33 square, and that is equal to 0.3305 per unit. Now we have all the per unit values. Now we are going to represent the single line per unit diagram. First we will draw the generator reactance, that was J 0.15, voltage 1 pu, 33 upon 33, you can calculate. Then transformer number 1, impedance was J 0.068. Then transmission line reactance is J 0.3885. Then again transformer number 2, J 0.068 per unit. And again the motors. For motors we need to take care one point, that is the per unit value of the voltage of the motors. We have calculated all the values. For first motor it was J 0.826. For second motor it is J 0.55. For the third motor it is J 0.3305. Now the per unit value of the voltage of this motor will be 30 is your operating point and new voltage is 33. So 30 upon 33 will be the per unit value for the all these three voltages of the motor. So here it is all about this question. Thank you.